Cleaning foam pads the conventional way, if you don't have a pad washer and just have a tap sink, basically. There's two ways. You can wet the foam with the water from the tap and then spray your cleaner and rub, but I actually prefer to spray the cleaner first. So I'll just get my pad cleaner, spray it liberally over the pad so it starts to almost drip, probably more than enough. And all I have to simply do then is give it a darn good going over with my hand. Sometimes I'll use a glove, use my fingernail or a brush, a gentle brush. Give it a nice little rubbing, agitate it, get it fractionally soapy. You don't want it so soapy that if you've got a soapy, sudsy cleaner, you don't want it creating heaps of suds because you'll require a lot more water to actually flush through the foam to get rid of that suds. So now you quite simply just do this and watch it all run away from the pad. There you are. Give it a little rub and it is clean. Some pads are easier to clean than others. I will have that on my pad charts, ease of cleaning rating. And that's it. Maybe one more. Don't wring the foam out, squash it between your palms, or put it on a rotary and spin it in the sink. Okay? And there we have it. One clean pad. By spraying it first, rubbing it down, I didn't get much sudsing at all, and then as soon as I hit it with the water, basically it was flushing all of that residue straight out. And being a water-based polish, a true water-based polish, without all the solvents in it, it's a lot easier to remove from the pad, even when it's dried. And there you go. All you got to do now is hang it up on like a kitchen dish, dishes rack. Hang it up this way, hang it up this way or that way, and basically you're done. That easy. What you want to avoid doing is flushing a lot of water through a pad, especially when people decide to pressure wash them. No matter how far they aim the pressure gun away from the pad, you're pumping a lot of water through that, and it's not good for its long-term density retention. It loses its firmness and density very easily with a lot of water going through it every time you clean it. So there you go.